Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to the RSS educational channel. Today we will discuss regarding some natural existence of matter, natural existence of matter in environment. Actually, there are few phases in which matter exists in system. There are few phases in which matter exists in systems, environment. These phases are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Actually, solid, liquid, and gas, these three phases are very common in Earth, but this plasma phase is very common to universe actually. In Earth, this is very rare. That means very few materials exist as plasma state in Earth, but most of the material exist in the Earth as solid, liquid, and gas. But in case of universe, if you consider the things, then plasma state is maximum, because in stars, like sun, most of the material exist in plasma state. So what is phase? Now let us understand what is phase. Actually, phase means physically distinct, chemically homogeneous, physically distinct, chemically homogeneous, mechanically separable region of a system. That is known as phase. Phase means physically distinct, chemically homogeneous, mechanically separable region of a system. It means actually in environment, in nature, in different physical form, it exists. It exists, but they are chemically homogeneous, and those can be mechanically separated out, such as ice and water. These are two distinct phases, but ice is also H2O and water is also H2O. But they are mechanically separable and physically distinct. So these are phases. We will only discuss regarding solid, liquid, and gaseous phases of matter in this discussion, and how these are different in state. Actually, if we consider the construction of matter, any matter is constituted of teeny particles. These teeny particles are nothing but atoms and molecules. These atoms are further subdivided as electron, proton, and neutron. So all these matters are constituted of teeny particles which are known as atom or molecules. This is very simple. I think everybody is well conversant with this. But during construction of the matter, we have to understand two things. These atoms are attracted with each other, just like opposite pole of magnet. This is known as force of attraction. force of attraction between atoms, force of attraction between atoms. And second part is atoms are continuously vibrating with some amplitude maintaining a mean position. These things we have to keep in mind. Atoms are attracted with each other just like opposite pole of magnet, and force of attraction, this is known as force of attraction between atoms. And atoms are not fixed, atoms are continuously vibrating with some amplitude maintaining a mean position in the lattice. So these factors are opposing in nature. It means this number one factor always try to hold the atoms together. And these factor, second factor, always try to separate them out. These are two opposite character in nature. So number one terms, force of attraction between atoms always try to hold the atoms together, and vibrational amplitude या vibration energy of the atoms always try to separate the atoms out and to increase the distance between the atoms. Force of attraction between atoms and vibrational energy. If we consider this in graph, this will be like this. This is separation between atoms. This is energy of interaction. This graph becomes like this. This is A0, that is separation between atoms, and this is sigma 0 equal to energy of interaction. These two factors, that is separation between atoms and energy of interaction, these two factors determine how the matters, how the atoms or molecules will be closely packed or will be maintained in the crystal lattice. Now, if we consider the case of solid, in case of solid, force of attraction is highest, means too high, and vibrational energy or energy of separation is very weak. So in case of solid, chance of the atoms या molecules to get separated out is very less. Chance of separation of atoms is very less because these attractive force are very strong, and those attractive force keep the atoms very close together. So there is chance of separation of atoms is very less. That is the reason. That is the reason. That is the reason why solid can maintain fixed shape and size या volume. That is the case of solid. In case of liquid, if we consider the case of liquid, this force of attraction is medium. Medium means lower than solid but more than gas. Vibrational energy or energy of separation is also medium. So, in case of liquid, there is chance of separation of the atoms from their mass. So, chance of separation of atoms is little high. That is the reason why liquid can maintain fixed volume, but not shape. That is the reason why liquid does not maintain any proper shape, but it can maintain its volume, because these atoms are loosely bound with one another, with each other, so that if we splash some liquid or water in the floor, it will just spread out, but it will maintain some volume, fixed volume, but atoms will be separated out. And so if it has been placed in this type of container, it will be like this only. If it is placed same, this will be shape of this slide, that is volume same, volume equals, but shape different. Because in this case molecules or atoms are very loosely bounded. In case of gas, force of attraction is very low. Force of attraction is very low, and vibrational energy or energy of separation is very high. So in case of gas, this will be like this. This will be very free. Chance of separation of atoms is high, very high, and that is the reason why gas cannot maintain fixed shape or volume. That is the thing. So there are few questions which are very common to the chapter. We have to keep in mind there are four numbers of phases which exist in universe. Four number of phases exist in universe. Those are solid, liquid, gas and plasma. Number 2 is binding force, the attractive force between atoms. Highest in solid and noisy. So we will stop here. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the videos. Thank you.